basic process for writing for a client, depending on what it is, just go with copy because that's the most common one we do at the moment. So copywriting for a client, the basic process would be talk to the client, have a brief on what they want to do. So if it's for a website or if it's for a magazine, a flyer, a brochure, prospectus, whatever they want doing. And then what sort of tone they want through it, what sort of voice they want to convey. And then once they've given me a brief idea of what they want, then I would go into researching the competition, see what the competition's been doing, look at rival brochures, prospectuses, etc. See what sort of words they use, what they're doing as well. Then you go into the technical side of things. So for our SEO, we'd then research the SEO and the keywords being used by the competition as well. Then you combine all that into one piece and you start writing. Then you do your first draft, go down through the draft, write it down, check your punctuation and grammar. And then us at Limitless here, what we do is we then have an in-house session where, for myself, I'll finish the writing piece and I'll go to the creative director for some feedback, or I'll go to my managing director and get feedback on the writing. And then we'll send it to a client for feedback. Then the client sends us feedback and we edit the piece again, we proofread it again, we make it fit what they want.